I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your car to Carvana. To begin, visit Carvana.com or use their app and navigate to the Sell or Trade section. You'll need to provide some key details about your vehicle, such as its vehicle identification number, or VIN, current mileage, and honest information about its overall condition and features. This online appraisal process is quick, typically taking only a few minutes to generate an instant offer. After submitting your vehicle's information, Carvana will provide you with an instant, real offer. This offer is generated based on hundreds of data points, reflecting current auto market conditions and your car's specific details. It's important to note that your personalized offer is typically valid for 7 days. If you decide to accept, the next step involves securely uploading a few essential documents, including a picture of your driver's license, the vehicle's title, and a photo of the odometer reading. Once your offer is accepted, you'll need to gather essential documents. These typically include your driver's license, the vehicle's title, and any loan payoff information if you still owe money on the car. After Carvana verifies these documents, you'll schedule a convenient appointment for vehicle pickup or drop-off at a Carvana location. During this appointment, a Carvana representative will perform a quick, on-site review to ensure the car's condition matches your description, verifying details like mileage. The final step is receiving your payment. Carvana offers 2 convenient payment methods: a printed check, which you can deposit with a physical teller, or an electronic direct deposit, also known as an ACH transfer. You'll typically receive your payment at the time of your vehicle pickup or drop-off appointment. For ACH direct deposits, funds usually process and appear in your bank account within 1 to 2 business days, making the entire selling process smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.